Welcome back to Pleopod, where we unpack the tech shaping our world. Today, we're diving into something truly significant, the Vatican's first encyclical on artificial intelligence, released just a few weeks ago, on May 25, 2026. Maya, this is Magnifica Humanitas from Pope Leo XIV.
That's right, Arman. And it's a pretty hefty document, framing AI not just as a tool, but as a force comparable to the Industrial Revolution. The Vatican is essentially laying down a moral framework for how we should approach this rapidly advancing technology.
And a key concern immediately jumps out: the concentration of power. The encyclical explicitly warns against AI development amplifying the power of entities that already possess significant economic, technical, and data resources. It's a direct critique of the dominance of a few private tech corporations.
Absolutely. It calls for limiting their influence over global computing resources and digital infrastructure. It's like saying, hold on a minute, this is too much power in too few hands, and we need to think about who controls the digital future.
And this isn't just about economic power. The document also delves into the philosophical and ethical implications. Pope Leo XIII argues that AI is not a morally neutral tool. Its design and deployment are inherently influenced by those who finance and develop it, reflecting their values and interests.
That's such a crucial point for us builders and listeners to consider. Every line of code, every data set carries intent. The encyclical is urging us to be incredibly conscious of that. It also touches on the Tower of Babel narrative.
Ah, the Tower of Babel, a metaphor for human hubris and a misguided pursuit of power without divine guidance. How does that apply here?
It's used to critique the potential for AI development to lead to dehumanization, to reduce individuals to mere data points, and to prioritize profit over human dignity. It's a warning against building a future that excludes a deeper sense of purpose or God, focusing instead on a purely technological, perhaps even idolatrous, ambition.
That's a powerful image. And on a more practical and, frankly, alarming front, the encyclical states unequivocally that it is not permissible to entrust lethal decisions in war to artificial intelligence. No autonomous weapons making life or death calls.
A very clear line drawn. This isn't up for debate in their view. And it ties into their broader argument about human-centric design. The encyclical promotes a Christian humanism, emphasizing that human beings are called to self-transcendence through love and connection, rather than through technological escape or the pursuit of post-humanist ideals.
So it's advocating for a future where AI serves humanity, not one where humanity is superseded or fundamentally altered by technology in pursuit of some abstract post-human state. This is all quite profound. What's also interesting is who was present at the presentation of this encyclical.
Exactly. The Vatican included Christopher Olah, co-founder of Anthropic, one of the leading AI companies. This signals a complex, perhaps even collaborative relationship, and an effort to engage directly with the industry players they are also critiquing.
It suggests a recognition that the Church doesn't have all the answers in a technical sense, but wants to ensure the ethical compass is firmly in place. And beyond just issuing the document, what's next?
The Vatican has established an interdisciplinary AI study group. Their role is to guide the implementation of these ethical principles, both within the Holy See and presumably as a point of influence beyond.
So this isn't just a statement. It's the beginning of an institutional effort. For our listeners, especially software builders, what's the takeaway?
It's a call to mindfulness, to recognize the inherent values in the systems we build, to question who benefits, and to push back against the commodification of human experience. It's about designing AI that enhances rather than diminishes our humanity, and being vigilant about the concentration of power.
A timely and crucial message. Maya, thank you for breaking this down for us. It gives us a lot to think about as we continue to build the future.
My pleasure, Arman. It's definitely a conversation that's only just beginning.
Indeed. We'll be back next week with more on the tech shaping our world. Until then, keep building responsibly.